a blow through the evening light. City slow down when the sun take flight. Me close my eyes, feel the heartbeat drum. In the music, the spirit come. Sunset up, take my soul away. Float on the rhythm till the break of day. Peace in my mind, Jah keep me strong. Every little thing gonna be one song. Raindrops fall upon the old tin roof. Me sip my tea, just the honest truth. Life moves slow like a reggae bass. No need for rush in a Jah embrace. Sound system play while the moonlight glow. Bassline deep and the snare stay low. Echo in the night, we are drifting time. Reggae and lo-fi in the same sweet line. Sunset up, take my soul away. Float on the rhythm till the break of day. Peace in my mind, Jah keep me strong. Every little thing gonna be one song. Raindrops fall upon the old tin roof. I sip my tea, just the honest truth. Life moves slow like a reggae bass. No need for rushing, a Jah embrace. Sound system play while the moonlight glow. Bassline deep and the snare stay low. Echo in the night, we are drifting time. Reggae and lo-fi in the same sweet line. Sunset up, take my soul away. Float on the rhythm till the break of day. Peace in my mind, Jah keep me strong. Every little thing gonna be one song. Raindrops fall on the old tin roof. Me sip my tea, just the honest truth. Life moves slow like a reggae bass. No need for rushing, a Jah embrace. Raw vintage reggae, guitar scam, beat dub style bassline. Lo-fi hip-hop beats blended with classic rim shot reggae snare. Soft final crackle texture in the one. Ever horns and melodically. Sunset up, take the soul away. Float on the rhythm till the break of day. Peace in my mind, Jah keep me strong. Every little thing gonna be one song. Oh, oh. Just the honest truth. Life moves slow like a reggae bass. No need for rushing, a Jah embrace. Sound system play while the moonlight glow. Bassline deep and the snare stay low. Echo in the night, we are drifting time. Reggae and lo-fi in the same sweet line. Sunset up, take my soul away. Float on the rhythm till the break of day. Peace in my mind, Jah keep me strong.